This video explains how to design the main production pattern and fusing patterns. For example, a skirt model, a flared skirt model. We have to change the level of the upper line, F1 lines parallel. Then we have to check if the lines intersect the piece, F3 lengthen straight line, because we need to extract the piece. We go to F1 parallel because we need to have a short skirt, 7 centimeters. F4 piece cut, extract the piece. We have the back piece, we need to flare the piece. F3 pins, establish the position of our pins. Then we use F3 stretch and stretch the lateral point on the hemline with a 3.5 degree. Then we'll go to remove pins from F3, remove pins. We'll go to put a point on the side seam for dart transfer, F1 points developed. F5 rotating dart on that direction. Totally transfer 100%. Here is our piece. Now we will model the upper line of our skirt, F3 point modification shape. There we have 2 points. We will change the type of the points into a secondary one. One of them will be erased. And then we go to reshape, point modification, and change the position. We'll activate the secondary points, as you can see the red points, by selecting curve points from our tab, which is placed the left side below. We change the type of our points in F3 section. Then we'll draw the shape of our yoke, F1 Bezier. We go to F4, cut to extract the piece. Then we have to reshape a little bit the contour lines. F1 add point, using the shift key pressed from the keyboard to add more curve points. F3 point modification reshape to change the shape of our contour line because the model requires. This is for the yoke. We'll do the same for the back main piece of our skirt. And the same procedure is applied for obtaining the front model pieces. We add point, F1 add point with the shift key pressed from the keyboard. Then we'll go to F3, point modification reshape, change the position of the point. Now we go to make the main pattern, F4 piece seam. Line seam, we'll select the whole piece and establish the value for our allowances, technological allowances. Deselect, it would use the same value, 1 centimeters. Then we go to change the hem allowances, 4 centimeter. We go to change corner F4, select the type of our corner, which will be applied in the selected point. Close. We go to axis, select grain line axis. We'll draw the gray line axis on our piece. And this is one of our production pattern, in this case for the back. Now we'll use the front yoke. Our model has the same model front and back. We'll change a little bit the upper line. We will change the type of our points from main points to secondary points to be deleted. F3 point modification, reshape or undo to recover the action. We go to make them secondary point. Then we'll go to F1 parallel, because we need to design the facing pattern 5 centimeters. We go to F4 piece cut, extract the piece. So now we have the piece for our facing. We will design the main pattern for our face, for the front of our skirt. Piece, seam. Then we go to line seam. We select. We use the right button of our mouse, and we'll have the same value for our technical allowance, 1 centimeter. Go selection, deselect. This is the main pattern. It's production pattern. Display, select the title block. We will name our piece, let's say face back, because it's on the back of our front. Face or facing. At the command we can write the type of our material. In this case it is about base material. Then we go to sheet, copy this sheet. We will keep all the information, and the second sheet will be used to design the interlining pattern, fusing value 0.5. So we'll obtain our interlining piece for our front, and edit, we will change the type of materials. We are using interlining.